Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bola Ajelero, NNPP KWANKWASIYYA Networking Assistant Secretary. I'm here to congratulate our elected governor, Engineer Abba Kabir Yusuf, and his deputy, Comrade Abdulsalam Aminu Gwarzo. Congratulations. We want to thank our founder of the NNPP party, Dr. Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. Thank you for this great party. Thank you for bringing light to Kano. Thank you for everything you've done for the party. We wish you more wisdom and more strength to continue. Okay, I want to also congratulate our Kano State elected Senate for Central, Kano Central, Senator Hanga Rufai Sani. Congratulations also. Okay, I want to also congratulate the Federal House of Representative, Saroni State Representative, Umar Yarima Mukhtar. Congratulations also on your position. And also the stakeholder of House of Assembly, Kabir Sule. Congratulations also. And also all the other elected NNPP members, starting from the Kano Central Senator and the House of Rep. Also, I would like to thank our organization chairman, Malan Hassan Zain. Thank you for bringing us together under this party, and also for your hard work and all your sleepless night to make sure that everything comes to pass in this party. We appreciate your effort, and every other escorts of the party. Wish you more grace and wish you more strength. Thank you.